Bay windows are a beautiful and functional upgrade that adds space, natural light, and curb appeal to Pell City homes. However, because bay windows extend outward from the home's exterior, they require precise planning and installation. When mistakes are made during installation, homeowners may face drafts, water damage, or long-term structural issues. Understanding the most common bay window installation mistakes can help Pell City homeowners protect their investment and enjoy lasting comfort. Here are the key installation mistakes to avoid, and why professional installation matters. Skipping proper structural support. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is underestimating the structural requirements of bay windows. Unlike standard windows, bay windows need adequate support to handle their weight. Common issues include sagging over time, stress on surrounding walls, cracks in drywall or trim. Professional installers ensure proper support brackets, headers, and load-bearing solutions are in place to keep the window stable for years. Incorrect measurements and poor fit. Bay windows must be measured precisely. Even small errors can lead to gaps, misalignment, and sealing problems. Poor measurements can cause drafts and air leaks, difficulty opening operable sections, uneven appearance inside and out. Experienced professionals take exact measurements and test fit components to ensure a tight, secure installation. Inadequate sealing and flashing. Pell City experiences seasonal rain and humidity, making moisture protection essential. Improper sealing or flashing is a common mistake that leads to water intrusion. Problems caused by poor sealing include water leaks around the frame, mold or mildew growth, wood rot, and structural damage. Professional installers use high-quality flashing systems and sealants designed to withstand local weather conditions. Ignoring energy efficiency considerations. Some homeowners focus only on appearance and overlook energy performance. Poor installation can negate the benefits of energy-efficient bay windows. Mistakes include gaps that allow heat transfer, improper insulation around the frame, low-quality materials. Professionals ensure insulation and sealing are done correctly to maintain indoor comfort and control energy costs. Poor alignment of window sections. Bay windows often consist of multiple window units. If these sections are not aligned correctly, performance and appearance suffer. Alignment issues can lead to difficulty opening or closing windows, locking problems, uneven sightlines, and reduced curb appeal. Professional installers carefully align each section to ensure smooth operation and a clean finish. Weak interior and exterior finishing. Trim work and finishing details are more than cosmetic. Improper finishing can expose the window to moisture and air leaks. Common finishing mistakes include gaps between trim and window frame, poorly sealed joints, inconsistent insulation. Experienced installers ensure trim and finishing materials enhance both protection and appearance. Attempting DIY installation without experience. Bay window installation is not a typical DIY project. Without specialized knowledge, homeowners risk costly mistakes that may require reinstallation. Risks include voided manufacturer warranties, structural damage, long-term performance issues. Professional installation protects warranties and ensures the window performs as designed. Failing to account for weather exposure. Bay windows are more exposed to wind and rain because they extend beyond the home's exterior wall. Improper installation can leave them vulnerable. Professional installers reinforce exposed areas, ensure proper drainage paths, seal against wind-driven rain. This is especially important in Pell City's changing seasonal conditions. Overlooking long-term maintenance access. Improper installation may make future maintenance difficult. Professionals consider access for cleaning, repairs, and inspections during installation. Avoid costly mistakes with professional installation. Bay windows can transform a Pell City home, but only when installed correctly. Avoiding common mistakes such as poor support, improper sealing, and misalignment helps protect your home's comfort, efficiency, and value. By choosing experienced professionals for bay window installation, Pell City homeowners ensure their new windows deliver lasting beauty, performance, and peace of mind, making the investment truly worthwhile.